Hello everybody, Basim Online back here with a new video. Sorry guys, I've been really busy at work, but now we are back with a new amazing video where you can be making money if you watch this video. Before we get started, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like and share, comment below if you have any question for me. Let's see you on the inside. What's up guys, here we are back again on this video. We're gonna be talking about Axie Infinity, a digital nation battle collect and earn, how you can make cryptocurrency. If you're a fan of cryptocurrency, BTC, Ethereum, or just been hearing about these coins online, in today's video we're gonna be talking about how you can really be making it on a cash flow by just playing games on a daily basis. So first thing first, what I want to tell you guys here is that Axie Infinity allows players to earn income through non-fungible tokens or NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Player build, battle, and trade digital pets called Axies. A new mini documentary called Play to Earn follow several Filipino people who play the game. So this is a worldwide game. Everybody can work. You just need like sort of a wallet which is called MetaMask, and you need a couple of bucks in your wallet so you can get started. We'll be covering everything through this video, so let's get started. So let's discover the website first and then we go from there. So here, as you see, there is home, there is battle, land, Axies, news, and marketplace. So let's discover first thing first. You click play, you will get an iOS version, Android, and Mac OS if you have a Mac. So once you go down here, you scroll down below. If you're a gamer, so this is basically for a gamer. As I mentioned before, it's a new economy freedom for gamers. That's mainly the point of this game, and also making a passive cash flow every single day. So first thing first guys, as you see here on my screen, so there is more than 90,000 ether I think traded on our in-house marketplace, which means people are selling their pets, selling their tools, selling their loot, you know, like you can sell all the ingredients that we'll be discovering through this video. Second part you see on the green side is over 300 ether, the most expensive Axies ever sold, which means if you ever get to this number, you can sell your Axies, which is your fish character, for this amount of money if you're really a monster on playing game on a daily basis 24/20, you know. So, and lastly, we're gonna be discovering that they are saying there is field, they are saying that they have 250,000 daily active players, as you can discover their Discord and talk to people on live mode, right? So let's go down below and see what we have here. You go, there is like this Axie are fairies, creatures that love to battle, build, and hunt for treasures. So I'm just giving you, like a small hint about the project, what's going on here. You see there is a couple of tokens here on this shield, right? Here you see Play to Earn Revolution. Axies is a new type of games partly owned and operated by its players. So you are the owner of your wallet, you are the owner of your Axies. You battle against a couple people to make your passive income. So I will just discovering the marketplace and see what's going on the inside, so we can go to the next step and tell you guys how much money you need to get started and what you need. So here you see there's a couple of Axies. They are calling them Axies. There is white, pink, yellow, and each one has certain powers, as you see here below. You see this heart, this shield, you see this blue lines, this mount, this nails. All these few seconds ago been listed for sale, $484 worth of one Axie. So to get started with a game, you need to have at least 3 Axies in your collection so you can get started playing this game. So each time people are posting these Axies because they want to sell them, maybe they had 3 Axies and then they have a new baby Axie, they are putting it for sale. That's how it works. There's lands, there is items, there is a lot of things to do with this game. So first thing first, I'm just gonna be telling you guys what to do by time to get started. So the first thing first, after my small research, I can tell you that you need around 500 bucks to get started buying the 3 Axies to get started with the game. There is 2 modes of playing. You can play adventure or battle. Let's click login so you can see what's next. You just need login with Ronin wallet, that's a new wallet, and you need to make a MetaMask wallet. If you're really interested, guys, to go deeper in this, just let me below in the comments so I can make more videos about these Axies. So let's see how much money we can make now. So if we go to battle, for example, let's discover battle, and then we go to the last part of this game coming soon. They are launching the battle soon, so be ready that you already got your Axies. I just noticed one thing here, guys, that by time the price of all Axies is increasing more and more, because a few weeks ago the price was around like 150 bucks. Now look how much worth one Axie is, $533 for just this one. So we need the 3 to make one collection and start making money, because you will get all these collections and you can sell this and win battles and get energy and all the details. So I can go through all details and making an account, buy it live, show you guys how you can make it, how you can start making money, how you can sell your Ethereum, how you can make a wallet, how you can make every single part that you need to start making money on this. This is not a game, guys. This is a really cash flow mode. As by time, if you're tired or busy or you don't have time to play games, there is something that is called scholarship, that there is gamers are looking for people that have funds to support them and buy Axies, and just give them the Axies and they will work for you, and then you will be giving them a commission. So it's like 50-50, 40% to them, as much as you discuss with the people that will be taking care of your account. So that's it, guys. So basically I just wanted to make this video to make you understand the volume. Look, the volume of money here, the Axie saw the total number of sales, like, so you can know how much money we're talking about. You can be not just a gamer, you can be a real crypto millionaire if you follow up with my next video. So thanks, guys, for watching. I don't want to make this video really long, so see you in the next video. I'll just jump to the bridge, because that will be our bridge, so you can deposit, withdraw, and do all the things. So as you see, you can do your own research, but if you want me to do it live here on the next video, just tell me in the comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, share with your friends, comment if you have any questions for me. See you next time. BSM Online as always. Bye bye.